What is this strange feeling I feel in the air? I feel like there are theophanies everywhere. The heavenly host and the earthly host uniting. There's going to be a rapture in the air. What an atmosphere. Things that are to be, what we feel in our hearts, what we see in our midst, are things that are, things that are to be, what we feel in our hearts, what we see in our midst, are things that are to be. The capstone came, shouting grace, 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 to cap off the pyramid of our lives. And here we stand in God's image and likeness. We are flesh of his flesh and bone of his bone. There's never been a people like this. Things that are to be, what we feel in our hearts, what we see in our midst, are things that are to be. Things that are to be, what we feel in our hearts, what we see in our midst, are things that are to be. You believe that modern events are being made plain? Modern events being made plain by vindicated prophecies. Oh, modern events being made plain by vindicated prophecies. Things that are to be. The dove of agape love flew into my heart, bringing comfort, peace, joy, and love. This mortal shall put on immortality. This corruptible shall be incorruptible for all eternity. Things that are to be, what we feel in our hearts, what we see in our midst, are things that are to be. Things that are to be, what we feel in our hearts, what we see in our midst, are things that are to be. But we see in our midst are things that are to be, things that are to be. What we feel in our hearts, what we see in our midst are things that are.